Nicole here again, and we will be doing another experiment today. This one is called Milky Planets. So the first thing we will need is some milk. You can use any milk you have at home. Next, we will need some dishwashing soap. You know, the kind that your mom uses to wash the dishes with. Next, we will need some food coloring. Here we have yellow food coloring, some blue food coloring, and some orange food coloring. You can use any colors you like. Next, we will need some earbuds that we use to clean our ears with. And lastly, we will need a nice bowl. You can use a big one or a small one. So, first thing we do is we pour some milk into the bowl. Next, we will add some food coloring into the bowl. Just put in a few drops. We've got our orange. Next, we'll put in some blue. Next step will be to take your dishwashing soap and put a little bit on your earbud. You can spread it a bit. And then we will take our earbud and put it in here. See what happens? You can try out different spots. Okay guys, why don't you try this at home and let us know how it went. Thank you, goodbye.